Well, one of the things that we're actually asking today, we're talking about, we already know what the process is.
Right.
We're-
We've been through it before.
Right,
Right.
but we're wanting to know where we're at in the process. And so
Yes.
if you can't answer that is, and I know Mitch is busy, is Lamar Sims available to answer that? Who's available to answer that question?
I'm it right now.
So
I-
you can answer that question?
Well, I can answer to the best of my ability, which is, we had a senior chief deputy who was part of monitoring that investigation from the day it began, from when the death occurred. And a critical part of his review and the investigation was the autopsy report. And we just got that,
Last week.
what's today?
Friday.
Did it come Monday, maybe? So earlier this week. So that was an important piece that he had to wait for to complete all of the rest of the investigation. So it has been a priority, and he has been
He
working
didn't get
on
it
it.
on Friday with everybody else?
Was it
That's
Friday?
when-
I thought it was Monday that we
It was
got
Friday.
Okay, whatever day it was released by the Office of the Medical Examiner.
Yeah.
Well, that was the day we got it.
Yeah, Friday.
So that was a critical piece that he's been waiting for. I know it is a priority. I know he's been working on it, so.
But no timeline.
I don't have a day or a date, correct.
Do you have a
A
span of
window?
time? Yeah, a window.
I could try to get one. I could try to find out. One of the challenges is that Doug Jackson and Lamar Sims and Mitch are the three people who also investigate and review officer-involved shootings. And there are now 7 pending.
7 officers.
Since the end of November.
So the police
It's
have been busy.
You want to
So
dive in
so
now?
it was at the end of November, and we know that Mr. Marshall died before a lot of those shootings happened.
Right,
So
but
is
remember,
this-
we were waiting for the autopsy report.
Gotcha.
And that, even if we had every other single piece, one of the things that Doug had said is, and I haven't talked to him since he actually reviewed the autopsy, was that it's possible that that report would prompt some more questions on his part that he would need to further investigate. I don't know if that's the case, but with the round of questions that I got the day that that was released, I asked him, what did he expect, and that was his concern, was that there may be some other things that he needs to further investigate based on what he's reading in the report. I have not talked to him since then.